What did you say?
I know she'll send us this much.
I know. She sends you lots of stuff, huh?
Sure did.
Sent you all kinds of stuff.
I got choo-choo.
I think Grandma knows what you like, huh?
She does. That's bunny pops. That's everything we wish for Easter.
Wow.
Your wishes. It's that candy fan. Listen.
Aw, that's pretty sweet of Grandma, huh?
So sweet.
Aw. Are you hugging all your stuff, Avery?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aw.
Look at that Easter bunny ears.
Yeah. Can you say, I love you, Grandma and Pap?
I love you, Grandma Pap. When we're at Disney World, and when next time we go to Disney World, we should bring these little candy fans in case we want to cool our beach down. We should use these fans in case we're hot.
When do you think you're going back to Disney World?
Yes. Just in case we go back to Disney World and the parade, we should do these out. And I kind of wanted to get one at Disney World. Grandma said that's exactly the fan I wanted.
Aw, how did she know that?
She knew I wanted to get one at Disney World, so she gave me one.
Wow.
Digger, digger.
That's amazing how that happened.
Digger, digger.
How did you tickle yourself? Uh-oh, careful. Tickle, tickle. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Look, there's Anna.